Hello children, welcome back to online class. I am going to take English in 6th standard, Unit 3, the first lesson, A Visitor from Distant Lands. A Visitor from Distant Lands. First let us read a glossary what has given in our book. Foreign belongs to other country. Merchants, people who trade. Sailed, traveled in a boat or ship. Portuguese, people of Portugal. Adventurous, brave and bold. Popular, well known. Stubby, short and thick. Delicious, tasty. Let us see a visitor from distant land. Look at the pictures. What do they represent? They are expressed about the taste. From the book itself, you are seeing the pictures. I will see and I will tell the pictures name and about the taste. Mango, sweet, salty, salt, bitter, bitter gourd, astringent, bitter nut, pungent, ginger, lime, sour. From the book, I told the picture's name and about the taste. So, like that, in our book has given, fill in the blanks with the item that the taste the same. One example is given for each. So, you have to write one more example and do it, fill in the blanks. Let us read the lesson. Mani's family lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. Mani liked only a few vegetables. Potatoes and lady's finger were the other he liked very much. One day when Amma served a potato curry, so see the lesson. Mani's family lived a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. Mani liked only a few vegetables. Potatoes and lady's fingers were the two he had liked very much. One day his mother served a potato curry. Then they discussed about the vegetables. What in the next part? See. He told, I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetables. His sister told, no, they are not. Amma bought them from other vegetable shop near the bus stop. So, Mani said when his mother was serving the potato curry, that time he said, I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetables. Then his sister said, no, they are not. Foreign vegetables. Amma bought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stop. The next part. He said, Appa, Selvi is too small to understand the potatoes are not from India. Appa said, so what? He said, our teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally ground food. The Mani said, Appa, Selvi is too small. She can't understand that potatoes are foreign vegetables, not from our India. Then father said, so what? Mani replied the answer, Appa, our teacher told us that we should buy and eat only locally ground food. We should not eat other countries' food. Like that, our teacher told. Then, the next part, he told his sister, she also told us to use things made in our country. Okay, she asked his brother, what else did your teacher tell you? What else did your teacher tell you? Not only a food. Our teacher told us to use things also made in our country. Not only a food. To use things also made in our country. Then she asked his brother. Then his sister asked, "What else did your teacher tell you? What else did your teacher tell you?" Then he said, Father said, "And you cannot order tomato soup either or even pineapple juice." His mother also told, "Then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie." Then his sister also told, "Mani, then you cannot order anything hereafter." So father replied, "Mani, you told potatoes and other vegetables and all came from other countries. So you cannot order tomato soup either or even pineapple juice." Amma also said, "Then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie." Then his sister also told, "Mani, you cannot order anything hereafter." The next part, why? Why cannot I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? Don't you know that corn, tomatoes and ladies' fingers all came from other countries? Suddenly he got angry. Why? Can't I eat anything that I want to? Mother replied to his son, "Mani, do you remember corn, tomatoes, and even ladies' fingers all came from other countries?" So both are shocked. Mani and her sister was shocked. Then these vegetables are how they are traveled, how they are came from other countries to India. We will see in the next class the same lesson. Just go through this lesson. Keep it in your mind. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you.